Hello my friends, today I will show you how you can reanimate or cure a USB flash drive, micro SD card or any memory card if the files on it are damaged. Reading files is impossible, and there is no access to your memory card. I connect this flash drive to the computer, and we see that the system cannot recognize my flash drive. My computer immediately determined that the card was faulty and offers to format it. I agree. I press Start. OK. And we immediately see a message that the system cannot format. OK, let's see what my flash drive looks like in this PC window. Windows doesn't recognize this drive, can't open it, can't format it, and the only thing Windows can do is assign the letter G to my flash drive. I'll close this window, and now let's solve this problem together using the command prompt. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Terminal as Administrator. Here you need to write several commands, and for convenience, I saved them in a document on the desktop. You can find these commands in the description of the video. Also save them in a document and repeat my actions step by step. I copy the first command, right-click in the command prompt, press Enter, and now with the help of the diskpart utility I will try to fix the flash drive. Press Enter. The list disk command shows all the disks connected to the computer. My flash drive is 8 GB, and now I know that my flash drive is marked with the number 3. I enter the following command, and here you need to enter the number that your flash drive or SD card is designated with. My flash drive is assigned number 3. Enter. I also copy all the other commands in order, and to complete each command I press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. After this command, the formatting of my flash drive will begin. I choose the FAT32 file system. You can choose another, in this case it does not matter. I press Enter, and the formatting has begun. This formatting completely deletes all data on the flash drive or memory card without the possibility of recovery, and therefore the process will take quite a long time. The formatting is complete, and my flash drive was fixed in this way. I hope that your formatting will also go well. I tried to drag a file from the desktop to the flash drive, and now I did it without any problems. If you learned something useful for yourself today, please share this video with someone else. Have a nice day everyone.